May I please just order a Crunchwrap Supreme, please?
What's up, guys? What am I doing here at Taco Bell? I don't know. I'm looking for my protein fix as per usual. I figured, let me get something pretty popular. This is the Crunchwrap Supreme. This is one of the most popular things on their menu. Beef, cheese, tortilla. How bad could it be? It's really bad. It's bad, guys. For 520 calories, the macros stink. There's only 16 grams of protein in here, mostly refined carbs, refined fats. You get additives like emulsifiers, you get preservatives, you get food coloring, all kinds of stuff in here. We're gonna make this much, much better, much faster and easier. It's only gonna take 5-10 minutes to make what we're gonna make. We're gonna do a better version of this. We can do much better than this. You eat too much of this, guys, you're gonna get sick. Come on, let's make it better. Welcome back to the kitchen. We know why this thing is bad. The macros stink, not a lot of protein in it, refined carbs, fats, a lot of additives we don't want to eat as well. Frankly, this is also a sodium bomb. As far as I'm concerned, this thing belongs in the garbage. So what do we need for this recipe? For our beef, 93.7 grass-fed beef. Good for you, lean, all right. Part skim, low moisture mozzarella. Again, a lighter cheese, more protein, less calories. We've got some spring mix to go on top. We got some tomato to cut up. I have a Rise and Puff gourmet tortilla. We're gonna use 2 of those in order to contain this bad boy. But the crunch is actually gonna be from Siete chips. This is an avocado oil-based chip. These are really good, really delicious. I like these, feed these to the family. No GMO ingredients, all that good stuff. A little light sour cream is gonna go on top as well. I already made our beef, sauteed the beef, little salt and pepper. You know, you can put some taco mix on top of it too if you want a nice taco-y flavor. Most of what we're doing here is really putting this thing together. What we're gonna wanna do for our more protein-rich version of this thing is we're gonna take 2 of these and a fork. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna start layering our ingredients. First thing we're gonna use is a few Siete chips. And what's kind of cool is I would not even break them up, guys. I would kind of make a little Siete tower there, okay? We got our 3 ounces of beef. Again, the good beef. Cheese is gonna go on top. Very nice. A little of our spring mix.
That looks so good.
Looks good, right? Just gonna take a nice slice of my tomato here from my garden. This will be very nice as well. Because why not? Throw some tomato on there. Is like everything. I mean, you guys can add avocado to this, whatever you like. I'm gonna throw some low-fat sour cream. Now, whoops, let's get that on top. Now, this looks delicious enough. What's gonna make it a crunch wrap? What's different, you know, giving it that cool vibe? This tortilla is gonna go on top of it. You're gonna hear a little crunch. And now what I wanna do is, I'm crimping like this. There we go. See what I'm doing there, guys? I'm folding and I'm crimping a little as I go around the edges. And the reason we're using these tortillas, guys, simple ingredients. The fewer the ingredients, the better. Even everything we've added to this thing, it's been like one ingredient thing. Here's your beef, here's your cheese, here's your lettuce, here's your tomato. The more your body can recognize, the better, the easier it's gonna be for you to kind of digest it and stuff like that. Less processed crap, the better. All right, it actually looks really good so far. It's all crimped around the edges. I'm gonna put it in the air fryer for about 5 minutes with the crimp side up, and this is gonna allow it to really, really, really crisp nicely. Guys, I think it's ready. Come on over. Holy cow, look how beautiful this looks, guys. It's all crimped, it's like baked to itself. You got some nice brown marks in there. It's hot, yeah. All right, let's check it out. I'm gonna have mine with some hot sauce. What's so great about this, guys, is we use single ingredients. We didn't use ultra processed refined crap to do this. This was easy to do. You had to stir fry some beef first. This took maybe 5 minutes to assemble. What could we have used? We used these Rise and Puff gourmet tortillas. Let's talk about the ingredients in these. Organic flour, water, olive oil, sea salt. These are delicious. What could we have used? Well, Mission Carb Balance sounds pretty good. Let's rattle off these ingredients. Water, modified wheat starch, wheat flour, vital wheat gluten isolate, vegetable shortening, that's good. Intensified and hydrogenated soybean oils, salt, calcium propionate to maintain freshness, distilled monoglycerides, sodium acid, I can't even say that, sodium acid pyrophosphate, baking soda, sorbic acid, formic acid, cellulose gum, and steviol glycosides. I guarantee you all of this is not being grown, guys. It's maybe a little bit too much. So anywho, we know why we made it really healthy. Now we got to do the taste test. You guys can go to the website. You can buy these on Instacart. They're really good. They're not affiliated, but you know, do yourself a favor and get some good ingredients. I'm going to cut this guy like this. This looks fantastic. Oh my God. Do you hear the crunch? It's like crunching already. Can I have some hot sauce with mine, you think? Oh, guys, seriously? I'm hitting mine with some hot sauce. Wow. Almost 30 grams of protein, guys. Remember, 520 calories for theirs, 450 for ours, 16 grams of protein for theirs, 29 for ours. Better macros, better ingredients. This is the diet. You can feel good about eating this, guys. This is the diet. Taste test. Jumpin' Jiminy Cricket. This is absolutely delicious, incredible, and I gotta end this video so I can eat the whole thing. This is how your body fights disease. This is how you stay healthy. You're not putting crap in your body. You're putting good, whole foods in your body. Not to be fearful, but do yourself a favor. That processed crap, you don't need a lot of it. Let me know what you guys want me to do next. Like, subscribe, please be a super, join the Caffeinated Iron Club, leave me a comment. Until next time, I will see you next time. I gotta fit G in this.